Hello viewers, a creature feminine Hellenic Ixias in the Laugh of Medusa, 1976. Egotistical sublime, coined by John Keats. Woodshort has it. Okay, then Elizabethan love comedy, inventor John Lilly. Elizabethan sonnet sequence, idea by Michael Drayton. Then empiricism by Empirical Science, Bacon. English Dictionary first, Dr. Samuel Johnson. English lyric first, Sir Thomas Wyatt. Epic theatre, coined by Arwin Piscator. Okay, this is very important. Epic theatre, coined by Arwin Piscator. The epic theatre used by Bertolt Brecht. Okay, Bertolt Brecht. Epiphany, James Joyce. A simplistic imagination and alienation by T.S. Coleridge. That means Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Okay. Then essay, English essay by Montaigne, father of essay, Bacon Prince, euphemism, John Lilly, explanation of Dhwani, Abhinav Gupta, expressionist theater by George Kaiser. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.